Okay. Today I will teach you the multiplication. Okay. The multiplication where the unit digit is, sum of the unit digit is 10. And the left hand side numbers are same. Like suppose I have to multiply 75 into 75. Okay. So how can I multiply it in basic way? Can you go? How can I multiply in easy way? The sutras are one more than the previous one, and another sutra is the sum of the unit digit is 10. That means unit digit means sum of the last digit is 10. So if these are the last digit, then the sum is 10. Can you say me what are the numbers that sum up to 10? Two numbers. 1 plus 9, 10. It's nice maths, yeah? 2 plus 8, 10. 3 plus 4 plus 6. And another one is 5 plus 5 is 10. So in this case, you have to find a square. Yeah? When you say square, when the numbers are same. So the square of the 75 is, you can do in your traditional way. But Vedic way, how can you do it? First, you have to multiply the last digit. That is 5 into 5. What is the answer? 25. And second part is 1 more than the previous one. That means you have to add 1 and again multiply with 7. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 into 7? 56. Okay? Okay, tell me another number. Yes, 65 into 65. How can you do it? First one is 5 into 5, 25. Put it here. Next step? Yes, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 and then into 6. Okay, I will write this separately. Yeah. 7 into 6. It is 40. So you have to write it here. Is it easy? It is not that only for 2 numbers. You can take it for 3 numbers also. How can it? Suppose this is 995. Tell me, what can I write? Don't bother with the 3 numbers. So 5 into 5? 25. And then? 8, 1? Yes, 99 plus 1 is? 100 into 99? What should I write? 9900. These are the numbers. And another thing is that you don't have to think that, suppose 105 into 105. Alright? It is not that you have to do only from right hand side. You can start from left hand side also. This is the great use of basic math. Number 2, multiplication 2, right hand over, left hand over. How can you do it? First 10 plus 1? 11. 11 into 10? Yes. Is it? And then 5 into 5. পাইছা তুমি বুজি পাইছা ন বহুত ইজি হৈ যাব তোমালোকৰ মেথছ কেলকুলেশ্যনবিলাক আৰু তোমালোকে নাও ইউ আৰ গেটিং গৈ আছা ন তেনেহ'লে এমচিকিউ আছে আৰু বাৰু এতিয়া আকৌ আহিম পিছত